ट्रेलर रिव्यू तो दे दिया, आज चलिए इसकी कास्ट से कराते हैं आपकी मुलाकात। और यही नहीं, एक ऐसे शख्स से भी मुलाकात कराएंगे जिसकी कहानी कहीं ना कहीं इस सीरीज की कहानी से मेल खाती है। जरा देखिए।
तो दोस्तों, इस वक्त जब आप ये इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं तब तक हिज स्टोरी आपके सामने रिलीज हो चुकी है, और मेरा रिकमेंडेशन ये है कि प्लीज जाइए और उसे देखिए, और इसे बिना जज किए हुए देखिए, तब आप समझेंगे कि क्या है हिज स्टोरी। और इस कहानी के जो मेन किरदार, मुख्य पात्र है, वो हमारे साथ हैं मिस्टर सत्यदीप मिश्रा एंड प्रियमणि जी। वेलकम टू एबीपी न्यूज।
थैंक यू।
और एक और खास मेहमान है हमारे साथ जिनका नाम है प्रदीप, और उनकी भी एक कहानी है। एक्चुअली इट्स स्टोरी।
Sorry to cut you, it's Pardeep.
प्रदीप। ओके, तो प्रदीप, आपसे आने के से पहले मैं सत्यदीप, प्रेमनी, आप दोनों को बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहूंगा, बिकॉज हमने भी ये कंटेंट देखा। इनफैक्ट आज हमारे शो में इसका रिव्यू भी चलने वाला है। तो वाकई में काफी बोल्ड कंटेंट था ये, और ये वो था कि अगर थोड़ा सा इधर उधर होता तो ये कंटेंट कुछ का कुछ और हो जाता, लेकिन ये इतना सही और सटीक है कि आपको देखकर यू कैन एक्चुअली रिलेट टू कुणाल एंड योर कैरेक्टर। सो सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि जब आप शूट कर रहे थे, आपके पास ये कंटेंट आया, तो इस कंटेंट को चुनने के लिए भी यू हैव टू बी ब्रेव इनफ। सो हाउ डिड इट हैपन? प्लीज, अगर आप शुरुआत से थोड़ा बता सकते। सत्यदीप,
you use the word bold. Some projects seem bold because that it's going to be titillating and there's going to be skin show. This, I'm assuming you meant bold because of the concept and the content. Yeah. And तो जब मुझे ये पहले स्टोरी सुनाई गई थी, I think Priya was already on board at that time. I actually really liked the story. I think the fact that I had like a same-sex relationship in the story, it wasn't a deciding factor, only to the extent that मुझे ये comfort चाहिए था कि जो show बना रहे हैं वो इसका treatment क्या होगा, right. And I think वो डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर से एक बार मिलने में वो मुझे कंफर्ट लेवल मिल गया था कि ये इनका जो कहानी बताना चाह रहे हैं उसका इंटेंशन बिल्कुल बढ़िया है और इसका ट्रीटमेंट अच्छा होगा. It also just so happens that the person who was playing my same-sex partner in this, who plays the character of Preet, Mrinal, he's an old friend and I've known him, so there was that added comfort. So yeah, I mean, I know people say कि ये बड़ा bold आपने move किया, लेकिन मेरे लिए मतलब it was just another project which had a good story.
प्रेमनी, आप, क्योंकि आपके लिए no doubt you are the heroine of this content, लेकिन आपको भी पता था कि अल्टीमेटली ये कहानी जो दो सेम समलैंगिक जो किरदार हैं उनके ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस्ड होगी, और आपके कैरेक्टर को आपको इसमें निखार कर लाना पड़ेगा. ये भी एक चैलेंज रहा होगा, आई एम श्योर.
देखिए, राइटली एज सत्यदीप सेड, एक्चुअली ये स्टोरी मुझे पहले सुनाया गया था. दैट इज, आई वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू बी ऑन बोर्ड दिस प्रोजेक्ट मच बिफोर एनीबडी एल्स. तो पहले मेरा क्वेश्चन सुपर्ण के साथ, जो मैंने एक्चुअली सुपर्ण ने मुझे कांटेक्ट किया था और बोला कि ऐसा एक स्टोरी मैंने लिखा है, तो पहले तुम सुनो, बट इट्स बेस्ड अबाउट, इट्स अ स्टोरी अबाउट द सेम सेक्स रिलेशनशिप. सो मैंने सुपर्ण को पूछा था कि सी, इफ इट इज अ सेम सेक्स रिलेशनशिप स्टोरी, I would love to be a part of it, but as a character, I want to know कि मेरा contribution कितना होगा, because I didn't know whether it would be more about the story, the love story and things like that. So उन्होंने पहले मुझे बोला था कि पहले तुम सुनो, फिर उसके बाद जो भी decision होगा वो तुम्हारा होगा. So once he started telling me the story, I started falling in love with all the characters in fact, and I said, "Arey yaar, this is something new, there's something nice," because yes, it is about his story. It's about how, the preference has always been different. And the way she gets to know after 20 years of marriage, uska kya, matlab, how she handles the whole situation, how she handles her family, how she handles, once she gets to know that her husband's preference has already changed, or it was always like that, and things like she just got to know about it. कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगा कि somewhere maybe Sakshi's expressions or Sakshi's reactions are also somewhere linked to the society, because the way they get to know, once they get to know about it, somewhere कहीं ना कहीं मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि society में they treat LGBTQ community हो या trans community हो, because I'm a big supporter of them. I've always said in all my interviews, pre-release and post-release also, कि in however way possible, in whatever way possible, be it the smallest way, I try to support them as much as possible. It may be a very small thing, but जितना मुझसे हो सके मैं उनको support करती हूँ, and that's what we are trying to say at the end of the day, that they are also people and they need to be loved, they need to be accepted by the society. So just be a little more broad-minded and accept these kind of people, because they're very nice people. And I know a lot of people from the trans community and the LGBTQ community. मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को जानती हूँ, and I can say that they दिल के बहुत साफ हैं, and they all just want to be loved, and that's what we're trying to say in the story at the end of the day. So जब ये सब मुझे बोला गया था, तो I absolutely loved it, and I said I want to be a part of such a project.
और वाकई में कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा निखर कर आया है. लेकिन ये जो बात आपने कही कि इंडिया में नाउ इट इज लीगल, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी जो लोगों का की जो सोच है, उनका जो दृष्टिकोण है, वो हटाने में सालों और लगने वाले हैं. और हमारे साथ हमारे दोस्त हैं, प्रदीप हैं यहाँ पर, जो उनके पास भी उनकी कहानी, एक्चुअली हिज स्टोरी भी है, ऑन स्क्रीन तो है ही लेकिन ऑफ स्क्रीन भी है. तो मैं चाहूंगा अगर आप उनसे मिले. प्रदीप
जी.
तो प्रदीप, हिज स्टोरी आप देखिए जरूर, लेकिन यहाँ आज हम आपकी स्टोरी के बारे में भी जानना चाहेंगे. अगर आप बता सकें कि आपकी स्टोरी क्या है, व्हाट इज योर स्टोरी?
राज, स्टोरी तो बहुत बड़ी है, लाइक आई डोंट नो फ्रॉम वेयर शुड आई स्टार्ट, बट एक चीज है, जो कॉन्फिडेंस मुझे मिला एक्सेप्ट करने का, मुझे दैट आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम बॉम्बे. So I travel, like I belong to very small village in Himachal, and I don't know, बचपन से मुझे पता था कि कुछ तो ऑफ है, like according to society that was feeded कि this is something off, because मेरी हैबिट्स, मैं क्रिकेट मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. मुझे कोई भी जो स्पोर्ट्स था मैं उसमें तो एक्टिव नहीं था. आई वाज मोर इनटू लाइक आर्ट एंड ड्राइंग, पेंटिंग, सो सब चीजों में था. सो आई समहाउ फिगर आउट कि आई एम डिफरेंट, बट आई डिडंट नो व्हाट आई वाज. Then because of my studies, I went to Punjab, higher studies for graduation, and I got bullied there. So then that point of view came into my mind that this is something wrong, like there's something really off with me, so I have to change myself. You wouldn't believe, मुझे छेड़ा जाता था बोल के कि लड़की की तरह चलता है. So I started like mirror के सामने I started walking like a guy, like कैसे लड़के कैसे चलते हैं, they have to be like this, and that's how you have to walk. So I changed myself. So today there are so many characteristics which were there in me when I was child. They are no more there. So I have changed myself. But when I came to Bombay, there was a two life I was living. One was like being straight, being with my college friends, and no one had no idea about me, because I think I'm very good actor in real life. So so that is, and then उसके बाद for one day, like I told my best friend, उसको मैंने बताया मेरे बारे में, and she slapped me actually. She told me that you wasted 2 years, because अगर तुम मुझे पहले बता देते तो हमारा रिलेशन आज कहीं और होता. तो we are still very just a minute, I think I'm getting yeah. So I she gave me that confidence that okay, fine, whatever you are, there's nothing wrong in you. And from that day I started opening up. I started telling people, and जिसको मैं बताता गया उस बंदे के साथ मेरे relations बहुत अलग होते गए. कुछ लोग filter हो गए life से, because I don't know, they pretended to be like okay with it, but they weren't okay. So it's okay for me. Like most of like 90% of the people are still there in my life, and I'm happy. My like 90% of the family, they knows about me, and they have accepted me being a small town people. And उन्होंने सिर्फ एक चीज बोली कि अगर तू खुश है, they have a lot of questions, but I don't know, they are little hesitate to ask like whose wife and whose husband and blah blah. So it's very, with time I think they'll understand that thing. But the one thing they told me, like my uncle, my aunt, they told me if you are happy, then I think it's fine until unless you are happy, because end of the day it matters, like you got one life.
That's what one needs, the happiness.
Yes, because the thing is, I think when you are happy, then only you can keep other people happy around you. When you are suffering from inside, you cannot make anyone happy. This is a myth when people say that because of family I can sacrifice, because of a mother, father emotions I will sacrifice my life, I'll marry to a girl, and I think this is the bullshit. This is a lie, because that is a very temporary. You are giving away temporary happiness to the people. End of the day, you are hurting yourself, and definitely your parents will also get hurt when they see you suffering. So yeah.
सतीब, इनकी जो कहानी है वो कहीं ना कहीं नो डाउट आपका जो कैरेक्टर है कुणाल का उसे काफी मैच खा रही है, बिकॉज यू नो वो चीज की यू विल हैव टू गेट मैरिड टू अ गर्ल बिकॉज यू आर अ बॉय. और आप
no absolutely. I feel that maybe, you know, in the way that when I was preparing for the character, जो प्रदीप बोल रहे हैं कि इनको जैसे टीज किया गया स्कूल में, मे बी कुणाल के कैरेक्टर को ये नहीं हुआ, you know, and maybe, you know, and that is true. There are a lot of gay men out there. You will never, you know, you
never know.
You'll never question their sexuality.
Correct.
Till you actually ask them. And I feel that which is why, you know, he's somebody who can keep this fact hidden from the closest person in his life, which is his wife. He can keep it hidden from the wife and the children for so long. But the conflict is all inner. So to the extent, जैसे प्रदीप ने बोला कि ये जो I feel जो character ने finally decide किया कि बस बहुत हो गया, I have to, you know, come out. It's because of that, because till you're not comfortable in your own skin, you know, you can't make anybody happy. You have to be comfortable with who you are, so that first, and that's when you become the sort of person who can make other people happy. And I think the fact that you know, the positive message in this story, and I won't sort of, जिन्होंने देखा नहीं है शो उनके लिए मैं मतलब जो conclusion है उसके बारे में नहीं बोलूंगा, लेकिन एक जो emphasis इस शो में ये किया गया है कि आप अगर वो स्टेप लें तो क्वाइट ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप जिन लोगों से आपको डर था कि ये कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे, दे मे बिकम योर बिगेस्ट सपोर्टर्स इन द एंड, यू नो. तो लेकिन वो जो कदम लेना है वो आप ही को लेना है, वो आपके लिए कोई नहीं ले सकता. तो जो दैट इनर करेज एंड स्ट्रेंथ दिखानी है वो आप ही को दिखानी पड़ेगी. बट यू नो, फॉर ऑल यू नो दैट एवरीवन हु यू थॉट कि ये मेरे अगेंस्ट होंगे, दे मे बिकम योर बिगेस्ट सपोर्टर्स. सो आई थिंक दैट्स वन ऑफ द पॉजिटिव मैसेजेस हियर कि if it is something that is so important to you, you have to be brave enough to take that first step.
और प्रेमणि, ये मैं आपको इनफैक्ट आप दोनों से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि इस मामले में जो हमारी एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री है उसका दिल बहुत बड़ा है, बिकॉज उसके कई ऐसे आपको रिश्ते देखने को मिलेंगे जो कि ओपन है लेकिन उन्हें कोई ताना नहीं मारता, लेकिन जब आप बाहर की दुनिया में जाते हैं तब उनके लिए परीक्षा शुरू हो. तो आपके भी फ्रेंड्स होंगे और कुछ ऐसी कहानियां हैं जो आप जिनसे गुजर चुकी हैं. आपके भी कई फ्रेंड्स होंगे जो कि यू नो सेम सेक्स.
देखिए, मेरा जो the people I have come across are all the people I work with. चाहे वो मेरे मेकअप मैन हो बैंगलोर में, चाहे वो you know the other people I work with in Kerala. तो ये सब जब उनके स्टोरीज बोलते हैं तो you really feel very at the end of the day you feel very, in a way you feel sorry for them, that ये लोग इतना मतलब they want to come out, they want to say that देखो मैं भी हूँ यहाँ पे, I'm a person, I want to live at the end of the day. Basically it's just live and let live. Why can't people just live and let live? Because at the end of the day people like Pradeep are, they just want to be accepted by the society. So what Satyadeep said was also right. I think the first thing is खुद को accept करना चाहिए कि I'm such a person. My preference has changed. I've always been like this. I think you need first खुद को वो confidence देना है कि you know I'm such a person. Yes, I accept it, and then take the bold step of saying that देखो मैं हूँ यहाँ पे. I'm a person like this. My preference. Okay, I like guys or I like girls or whatever. So जब मैं ये story सुनती हूँ सबकी, so I feel really proud that finally they've come out and they're you know they're living their life. So kudos to you, Pradeep. I'm there for you, and I'm supporting you in, you know, 100%. I'm there for you, man. And I think it's high. Thank God and thankfully आपने ये step लिया कि and you found confidence and you found the right people to be your biggest supporters. Like rightly, like what Satyadeep said, that the moment you accept who you are and then come out and say कि हाँ मैं ऐसा ही हूँ, my preference has always been different, you will have biggest supporters.
एंड ये चीज को पूछनी जरूरी है प्रदीप को, आई एम सॉरी, क्योंकि जब कुणाल साक्षी को बताता है अपने बारे में और साक्षी का जो रिएक्शन होता है, तो प्रदीप जब आपने आपके घर पे बताया था आपके पेरेंट्स को, तब क्या रिएक्शन था?
Okay, so I think when the weird reaction I got it from my aunt, my chachi. So the thing is like I have grown up in a joint family. We have like a huge, my chachu, chachi, all cousins. We have lived together in a small in a house in a village in mountain. So we are very very attached. I'm the eldest child. So सब लोग they look up to me, and I'm the only person who have reached so far. Like जो post graduation करके हिमाचल से निकल के has reached to Bombay, has made a career, has traveled 15 countries, blah 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 blah. They have done, so they respect me for that. But when I told them, so she told me one thing. She told me one thing that like after all the conversation, she told me, I know such things happen, such things are there in the society, but it does not have to come out. So it is कलयुग है, कलयुग में सब चीजें बाहर आ रही हैं, ये सब छुपा ही अच्छा लगता है, सोसाइटी में इंसर्ट. So I think सबको पता है, everyone knows, like ये कोई नई चीज नहीं है. This is not something like जो फिरंगों से हमने ले लिया है. It's just like हम लोग अभी भी वही रूल फॉलो कर रहे हैं जो ब्रिटिश लगा के गए थे. इनफैक्ट ब्रिटिश लंदन में वो चीजें फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट हम लोग स्टिल उनके रूल्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं, that this is homosexuality is a crime and blah 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 thing. So that I think deep down, if a person in a village knows that such things exist, ये सब चीजें होती हैं, like same sex and everything, these are things, but they are ashamed of acknowledging it. They are not ready to give acknowledge and respect to a relationship. Then I think it's very deep rooted. It's a problem which is very deep rooted. It will not get like sorted out in like few years or something. So I think वो 200 साल का डैमेज जो है ना, जो ब्रिटिश करके गए हैं, तो इतना इजी नहीं है. बट या आई एम हैप्पी दैट इट हैज स्टार्टेड. सो एट लीस्ट
नो एब्सोल्युटली. जैसे मतलब आज की डेट में ये सोचना will be so strange कि there was a time when in a country like the United States the women didn't have a right to vote. Today you'll think about it and say कि how you can't even imagine that. But time always, things take time. I also feel जैसे प्रदीप बोल रहे हैं कि the reason आपको ऐसे you have more people who come out in sort of affluent societies in bigger cities is because वो जो एक छोटी जगहों का जो societal pressure होता है वो कम हो जाता है. I mean you are a lot more of your own person कि मतलब दाएं बाएं कौन क्या कह रहा है, things matter less, I feel, in more affluent societies, which is why they say ये तो अमीरों की बीमारी है. You hear that a lot, but that's not true. There is a lot of gay men, women in smaller towns, smaller cities who will never dream of taking that step because the backlash that they expect is just so much stronger than what somebody living in a city would. And which is why you hear of, and as you said, entertainment industry में ये देखने को मिलता है क्योंकि actually entertainment industry बहुत inclusive है. entertainment industry में और मुंबई की बात करता हूँ, even like a religious thing, like that sort of Hindu-Muslim divide that you see which is so prevalent in sort of more rural India. These are not issues because people in Mumbai are there to work. And they are just more used to these stories around them. So they have that head start कि मतलब ये हम देखते आए हैं और yes, it's normal. So you accord the same respect to that relationship as you would to a normal heterosexual relationship. So yes, I mean it is a thing about time. Everything will eventually, I'd like to as Pradeep said कि मतलब जिन देशों के हम laws अभी follow करते हैं उन देशों में तो ये सब बदल गया. I mean I would like to sort of segue into the fact that there are many countries in the world where consumption of marijuana is legal now. In India, मतलब ये आपका देश है जहां अभी कुंभ हुआ है, सब साधु बाबा फूक के चलते हैं, लेकिन सरकार उसके अगेंस्ट इतना मतलब ऐसे उसको व्यू करती है. So yeah, these are things that they take time and but yeah, you have to make baby steps in the right direction.
चलिए, आपके बहुत सारे और भी इंटरव्यूज लाइंड अप होंगे, मैं ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लूंगा, सिर्फ 2 सवाल है मेरे. प्रदीप, एक तो मेरा सजेशन है कि प्लीज हिज स्टोरी देखिए बिकॉज आई हैव सीन इट और इट्स अ वेरी गुड कंटेंट. लेकिन अब जब आप जहाँ पर हिमाचल में हैं, कैसी दुनिया है आपकी? मैंने सुना है काफी आप अलग रह रहे हैं अपने पार्टनर के साथ और काफी छोटी सी अच्छी सी दुनिया है, कैसी चल रही है आपकी दुनिया?
Okay, so Raj, I think I never dreamt about it, but we took a house next to the river. It's a beautiful river, and snow-clad mountains are there next to us. So we both are living because my family is just 2 hour distance from here. So because you know you don't get a privacy when you live with your family, so we decided to take a house here. So we are living here. It's been 2 months. We are still setting our house. Like it's still a mess here. But you know, creating a house from scratch, it's going out, getting furniture, getting everything with your choice, and that's kind of thing we are doing. We are fighting a lot also because we have different choices. But it's end of the day when we sit and when we look what we have created here and how we are living, we feel very fortunate and we feel very happy that I think we both
they say if you fight more, that means you love your partner more.
Oh yeah. You have no idea. But the only thing, like, communication is a key part. Like whenever we fight, we don't keep quiet. We talk a lot. जो भी चीज़ है बता देते हैं, anything. So yeah, having good time, exploring time.
All power to you. Yeah, all the very best.
Thank you so much.
ABP न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।